Welcome to the only course you need for you to learn React Native, master it, and become a mobile app developer. This brand new course will not only teach you the basics of iOS and Android app development, but it will also teach you the latest advanced features and ecosystem, including React Native navigation, user sessions and persistence with Firebase, styling your app with styled components, Stripe payments, live maps in your app, animations, app layouts and styling, and so much more. But more importantly, we show you how to go from zero to deploying your own apps in the Google Play and Apple app stores. By the end of this course, you will be a complete React Native developer that can get hired at companies. You see, the beauty of React Native is that you can use it to build both iOS and Android apps at the same time, instead of learning both separately. Along the way, we're going to build a massive project bigger than anything you've probably done before. It's a fully fledged restaurant recommendation app, because who doesn't like food, including user sign-ins and online payments, all built from scratch step by step together. This course has been a year in the making, and an app like this usually takes months to build. You get to benefit and learn about large-scale architecture and how the latest features like React hooks can be implemented in one app. Wait, I know what you're thinking. Andre, come on, why aren't we building 10 projects? Well, here's the truth. Most courses that teach you React Native do just that. They show you how to get started, build 10 easy projects, and just add some styling to make them look fancy. In real life though, you're not building silly applications. When you apply to jobs, nobody cares that you built a really pretty one-page app. Employers want to see you build large apps that can scale, that have good architecture, and that can be deployed to the app stores. Now, I still see you looking at me funny. All right, let me tell you 3 reasons why this course is different. 1, well, we kind of already gave it away. This course is all about learning by doing. We'll build together the biggest project you will see in any course using React Native. But we'll also start off with building a smaller productivity app called Focus Time to learn the basics of React Native. We also have a path for students who are completely new to React and want to learn everything from scratch. 2, this course is taught by 2 instructors that have actually worked in the industry with React Native. Mo and I used to work together, and Mo is a superstar when it comes to React Native. He is a solutions architect with over 7 years of experience in software architecture, and during his career, he has built mobile apps for top banks, governments, big tech companies, and one of the biggest online e-commerce stores you've definitely heard of. Me, I'm Andre. I've worked on enterprise-level apps for large tech firms in Silicon Valley and Toronto, and my latest project was for a React Native app for one of the biggest pharmaceutical companies in the world. By having both of us teach, you get to see different perspectives and learn from 2 senior developers, as if we're working at a company together. All right. Sorry about all that bragging. Back to you. 3, as the mobile landscape changes, we're committed to keeping this course up to date with the latest updates and changes, because we know that learning something in this space requires constant updates. This course will push you and challenge you to go from an absolute beginner in React Native to someone that is in the top 10% of React Native developers. Have a look at the course outline in the next video to see if this course is right for you. We'll see you inside.